told you the craziest thing.
Oh no, yeah.
Good morning. I thought I would do a little bit of a different video this time with actually doing a week in my life because I've never done that before. It's so early. I have a coffee chat with a really big customer. I have to get ready for that. Then I am actually gonna go co-work at a VC firm. And so their offices are so nice. Me and one of the girls on my team. So we're both gonna co-work together. I hate how busy my days are. I'll probably just like chill and work at night. Become a lot of a homebody since Tyler and I got engaged. Full fit check. I just got back. I literally had to take a meeting on my way home and now I have more meetings. Our house is such a disaster right now. Like, we have a bedroom and we have an office and I do everything in the living room because the lighting here is the best. Right there. And then this is like our coffee table. I need to join, we have a team meeting right now. Wait, did you hear me? I was like, and then I was like, okay, that's probably a little aggressive. Yeah, turn that down. You actually joined Spylock first. Somehow these Waymos just give me a sense of zen. Tyler and I have been working a lot at night actually. We are good about being intentional, like we'll always eat dinner together. We are also like both grinding together. So I love that we co-work a lot. That's my little life update. Literally, do you see these billboards in SF? Words cannot describe how much I love riding in Waymos because oh, the time is just like so peaceful.
지친 하루 끝 문득 들려온 너의 목소리 따뜻한 그 말 조용히 피어난 노란 봄.
You know, we just got back from the gym and now it's dinner time. We're gonna eat the classic Sarah and Tyler dinner, Costco wonton, and I'm gonna make dinner while he showers. Okay, so we're gonna eat and then we're actually gonna meet up with some friends to co-work. And so I have a lot of engineering tickets that I have to get through before QA attacks the shit out of it tomorrow morning. I'm so tired and I'm low-key getting a little burned out these days, but it's a long day, so let's keep going with the momentum. Yay, let's make dinner.
You want more dumplings or cat?
I want 18 dumplings.
Way better vibe than like co-working coffee night. Like... Honestly, this one's
One of my really good friends from MIT is actually a venture capitalist, meaning that she invests in startups for work. She and I are actually co-hosting a workout class this morning. The workout class, it's a berries class. It's very fun. And we invited a bunch of our friends who are like founders and folks we know. Kind of like a networking event that's also a workout. I feel like in SF where everyone is really, really intense about work and working all the time, if you want to do social things, it has to align people's like ultra productive lifestyles. I love it. It's a free workout class for me. Yeah, let's go to work. Hi, good morning. I'm actually hiding in a call booth right now because I just feel so much more productive. Tyler and I work really close together, which is so lucky for us, but it took us 2 hours to drive to work. There are two main things that I have to work on today. The first is that I'm actually doing an engineering project. As a growth engineer, I'm building out our new chat and showcase. I just basically am using Notion to keep track of all of my engineering tickets, and then it's really nice because I can add in screenshots from our Figma. And I'm basically working with my intern, and I have a couple more tickets left that I have to do, and then QA is bug bashing it today, so they're gonna add much more tickets, I'm sure. Other thing that I'm doing is I'm actually writing a blog post. I think it's really good to put technical content out there, and so I'm writing a blog. I'm also using Notion to kind of draft it, get feedback on it. Some of my friends have commented on it, and it's really nice because I can just really easily turn that into a website that I publish and share. Those are basically the two things that I want to get over the finish line today. I do want to say a huge shout out. Like, I cannot express how freaking excited I am to partner with Notion on this video. I have used Notion for literally 7 years now. I literally got onto it when I was at MIT. It was just like a lifesaver. So I'm basically gonna do some focus work for a few hours until our team is having a meeting. It's gonna be a good day. I'm excited.
Okay, I want to get boba after, so let me hurry up and.
Okay. It is so ungodly late right now. I am going dancing. It's literally almost 9 p.m. Tyler's at the gym and I'm going line dancing with some other like coworkers. Let me show you my boots. Yay! Tyler got them for me. Okay, let's go.
Good morning. Good morning. We have to pack and leave to the office in the next 5 minutes. Basically, I woke up and I realized that I had a meeting that was put on my calendar for 30 minutes earlier than I was planning to get to work.
Oh yeah, so I ordered for her. So it's her.
Whoa. Whoa.
It looks like miso soup. That's a cocktail.
Do you think you'll ever have kids?
I felt so bad for making us cry. What? It was traumatic. Instead of being nice, why are you laughing at me right now?
Like, so I thought you just like cried, and then she's like, okay, fine, like a.
Oh my god, I haven't even told you the craziest thing that happened today. And then he just randomly brings you up. And he called you tall, he called you attractive, and he was like, who lifts? And then complimenting you, like, out of nowhere in our team meeting.
That's good. Very cute. It's so good. It's actually crazy good.
We're in Hawaii! Oh my god, Tyler and I actually came to Maui this exact same time last year too. We basically know exactly what we want to do. Our first stop, Costco!
Wow, man, this is so cool.
You love the Jeep? Is that the one you want?
Classic. Let's go. These are so good. They're like phenomenal.
They're also $18. Good morning.
That's so cool.
We're at Ula Ula Cafe, about to get food. It's gonna be yummy. Wait, the chicken's coming for you. hi Jay. So we are at
Halikala Summit. They're trying to see the craters.
We're trying to do the Halemanuu trailhead.
Look at my hand, no wet.
Would you be recording?
Reenacting World War II.
I think the photos are done. What's that?
Mom, it's okay. Oh my god, that crunch is crazy.
Oh my god. Dolls. One of my